So we get now to what I think was a watershed moment at the recent national championships. That long-awaited competitive clash between Shelley and Fraser Price and Elaine Thompson. It's the first time these two superstars of the sport, the owners of the last 300-meter Olympic titles, were clashing across a competitive sprint double in Jamaica. It's long time the local public been waiting on a real serious head-to-head clash between Elaine and Shelley at their peak. There were theories abound that erudite coach Stephen Francis was strategically keeping these two warriors at least partially apart. Well, I'm glad Frano let them go now. This is what sport is all about. Star in competition with star to decide who are the bigger star. This thing where athletes are playing hide and seek with one another is cheating the public. So we say hail to the two fastest women in the world. Same camp, same coach, same country. We're not sure if they are good friends. But for sure, they are good rivals. And we love the cutting edge about the performances. Elaine Thompson had the first laugh, but we suspect that before the end of this season, the two gladiators will lock horns again. Not at the national championships, but this time at the bigger world championships. And for that occasion, the Maverick can tell you from now that the winner will be breaking transmission.